So this is astronomy at home, and we are here outside and we will observe the sun. So one thing's for certain, never observe the sun directly through the telescope. Look what happened to Galileo. When Galileo pointed his telescope towards the sun, his eyes got damaged. So what we need in observing the sun is a special filter, something like this. Okay, this is what we call a Beider solar filter, and we need to attach this to the telescope. Okay, so I made this DIY adapter. This is just a plastic basin that I bought only for 50 pesos. And what we will do is we will attach this filter onto the adapter. Okay. We'll put it right here. Alright, so we have now the filter attached to the plastic adapter. See? Okay. And we will attach this to the telescope. Okay, and you're good to go. But before that, you need to remove the finder scope. Okay, you don't need this in observing the sun because light might be concentrated and might burn your eyes. So you have to take this off, and you can focus the sun using the shadow of the telescope. Be sure that the shadow of the telescope is aligned so that you can point to your target, which is the sun. Okay, so solar filters like this Beider solar filter is very effective in observing the sun using the telescope. Okay, but solar filters like this is quite expensive, and there are other methods of observing the sun. So one way of observing the sun is through what we call the projection method. Take note of that, it's projection method. So in the projection method, all we need to do is to aim the telescope towards the sun. So sunlight enters the telescope, it bounces off the primary mirror, and it is reflected onto the secondary mirror and onto the eyepiece. Okay, then the image of the sun can be projected onto a cardboard. Okay, so the image from the sun, instead of looking through the eyepiece, you allow the image to be projected onto the cardboard. So several of you, your friends, can observe the sun at the same time. See, and it's safe. You don't need to look through the eyepiece, or else your eyes would be damaged by the intense radiation from the sun. Okay, so that's what we call the projection method. Okay, very easy, very basic in solar observation. Okay, other methods may include the use of solar glasses like this one. Okay, or you can make use of welder's glass. The welder's glass, be sure that the welder's glass is more than gauge 12. Okay, so gauge 12 below, that's a no-no. It will not give you adequate protection. So at least gauge 14 would be the best welder's glass for solar observation. Okay, no to solar observations using X-ray films. That's a no-no. Don't use X-ray films. Don't even use camera films for observing the sun. Okay, so that will not provide adequate protection for your eyes. Okay, so be safe in observing the sun, and I'll see you around.